Whatever you're selling, I ain't buying.
We just want to help you in exchange of some help of your own. Sound good?
What kind of help?
When's the last time you ate? We're gonna ask you a few questions. First, what's your name?
Sam, what's all this stuff? Where's my food?
We'll get to that, Sam. But we have some important questions to ask you.
Sign here, please.
Alrighty then.
What's your name, height, weight, and age?
Oh, what's the catch here? You guys doing a documentary, science projects?
Yeah, something like that.
He looks a little bit too old, doesn't he? Isn't he a little bit too old?
Sam Wakefield. 5'10", 210 pounds. I think I'm 24 years old.
Why are you homeless, Sam? What happened to your family?
Yeah, I had foster parents. Just kicked me out on my 18th birthday, actually. Just told me I had to live on my own and whatnot.
We're gonna send you somewhere. Where we're sending you isn't a physical location, rather somewhere you've already been.
We're sending you into your repressed memory. Memories that your mind protects yourself from that can cause you great stress or great loss. The procedure will feel like nothing even happened.
But if the location isn't real, how can I have already been there? This doesn't make sense.
We just think you should know the truth.